Welcome everyone, I'd like to show you how to easily install TutuBox even though it's revoked. Now, everything's covered in this video. Before you comment, down below, oh, this, watch the video and then you won't need to whine, right? Everything is literally covered. Watch the full thing, it's going to be a short tutorial. You can go on the hub later, right? So first of all, what we want to do is we want to open up settings. Then we want to tap on Wi-Fi, tap on the I, and then just tap on HTTP proxy. Then set it to automatic with the URL you see on screen right now. Just pause the video, screenshot it, and add that link right there. Now before you comment, oh, Apple doesn't work. Oh, this doesn't work. Just watch the full video. Just calm down for a second. I know you get a bit excited. So just add this proxy. Once we've added this, next what we're going to do is we'll go to General, Device Management. And it might take a bit of time to load, so just be patient. And any enterprise app right here, you want to tap on and then just delete it. So we'll just delete this right here. This dong, cheng, ding, ding, whatever. And so once that's deleted, now let's try and get TutuBox. And before you say, oh, but you haven't covered TutuBox not installing, well, just chill out, right? So we'll just tap on Risk Revokes. It seems like the page bugged out, so we'll just do this. Install now. Install. And now watch very, very, very closely, right? We're going to look at, is TutuBox going to install? And it should install, because if it doesn't, this video isn't uploaded. Okay, installed. If it didn't install, listen, before you go to if TutuBox does not install, what this means is in the past, you used TutuBox with this certificate, it revoked on your device, and so you cannot reinstall it, even if you're blocking Apple servers with the FFmpeg proxy. But it's not the end of the world. It is not the end of the world. All you need to do is follow the fix, right? Listen again. Follow the fix in the description down below, and that will completely fix TutuBox not installing with the FFmpeg proxy, right? I'll just say it one more time for the people with selective hearing. If TutuBox is not installing, follow the fix in the description. It'll probably be in the description. Fix TutuBox not installing, right? I'll try and make it as clear as possible, but just in case, if you have selective hearing, one more time, because you might be laughing, why on earth are you saying this 3 times? People do not listen. So just one more time for the people who've been skipping through. If TutuBox is not installing, follow the fix in the description. Right? We got it? Now, it isn't just over yet. Even though TutuBox is installed, there are a couple of more things you need to know with this proxy, because it isn't perfect. So first of all, let's actually get TutuBox opened up. So you just need to trust the profile. So we'll just tap on trust. And let's open up TutuBox. And so listen to this one, right? Even though TutuBox is working right now, with the proxy, it's a temporary workaround. What this means is if your iPhone is locked for too long, TutuBox is going to break. If you restart your device, TutuBox is going to break. If you update the latest software version, TutuBox is going to break. And this isn't me saying, if you update to iOS 14, TutuBox doesn't work at all anymore. It means your apps will revoke on your device and you have to wait for a new certificate, right? And so you have a choice. Do you want to risk the apps revoking on your iPhone because you aren't about to follow what I'm about to show you? You skip through the video, you already left, right? The dumb people. Or are you the smart person listening to this right now and you can mock the dumb people in the literally, look at the comment section. If you see someone whining, make fun of them. I'm going to unfilter the comment section, make fun of them, mock them, right? They deserve it, right? Because if you're in this situation, your apps they're going to break and you're not going to be able to use this method without following the fix in the description, which most people do not want to follow. I mean, say 30% people follow the fix, right? And so what this means is all you need to do, you ready for this, is you go into settings and you delete the certificate every time you're planning on locking your iPhone for a long time, or you're going out in 4G or something like that. If you don't do this, your apps are going to break. And it's not perfect, I know. I recognize that very well, because what that means is if you're on 4G, you're not going to be able to follow this method, right? If you're going out and about, you're not going to be able to follow this method. But it's either this or no apps at all, right? And there'll be a new certificate coming soon, completely signed, will fully work, and you don't need to do magic tricks. So I recommend you just follow this for now, right? And it's not like you're going outside anytime soon, is it, right? But if you need to go outside, just delete the cert. If you're going to restart your device, delete the cert. If you're locking your device overnight, delete the cert and just reinstall, because you'll be able to reinstall. And if you want to disable FFApple, delete the cert, then remove FFApple, because FFApple can cause airdrop issues if you keep it on for too long. So if you're having any issues, delete the cert, turn off FFApple, and now we're good to go. And if you ever need to do this again, you want to play emulators, reinstall the apps and it works. So if you followed everything correctly, you've successfully installed the revoked TutuBox. So smash like on this video for being smart. Otherwise, just make fun of the people in the comment section. I'm not even joking, right? The dumb people, you know who those are. Oh, why is TutuBox on install? Mock them, right? Give them the dumb comments, right? Why is TutuBox on installing? Why is the sky blue? Why is the iPhone 6s Plus larger than the iPhone 6s? Why is water clear? Why is the iPod Touch white? Anti-white, Oh, we need to do the anti-white. Anyway, why does dust exist? Why is this cable longer than the commenter's dong? Why is the cable longer than your dong? Literally, timestamp this video, or timestamp this exact time, and just timestamp here. Why is this cable longer than your dong? Jesus Christ. Anyway, see you guys later. Bye-bye.